Freezer not freezing? Food thawing? This is time sensitive, let's figure out what's wrong fast. First, check the temperature setting. Make sure it's set to 0 degrees Fahrenheit. On some models, the setting accidentally gets bumped. Second, is the door sealing properly? Check the gasket around the door. If it's torn or warped, warm air leaks in and the freezer can't maintain temperature. Do the dollar bill test, close the door on a bill. If you can pull it out easily, the gasket needs replacing. 100 to 200. Third, is it frost-free or manual defrost? Frost-free freezers have a defrost system, heater, timer, and thermostat. When any of those fail, ice builds up on the evaporator coils inside and blocks airflow. The freezer gets warm even though the compressor is running. Defrost system repair is 200 to 350. Fourth, thermostat failure. The temperature control thermostat sends signals to the compressor, evaporator fan, and condenser fan. If it fails, the cooling system doesn't kick on. 100 to 200. Fifth, compressor failure. If you hear no humming from the back of the freezer, the compressor may have stopped. Listen carefully, you should hear it cycle on and off every 20 to 30 minutes. No sound at all means the compressor, start relay, or overload protector has failed. 350 to 700. Sixth, low refrigerant. If the freezer runs constantly but stays warm, there could be a refrigerant leak. This requires a certified tech with gauges. Same-day freezer repair. Port St. Lucie, Stewart, Fort Pierce, Jensen Beach, Palm City. Call Treasure Coast Appliance Repair at 772-353-5791.